Sometimes I find myself, if I'm in a situation where I haven't really prepared for an evening meal or a lunchtime meal, I kind of have to wing it and see what I've got in the fridge. I boiled a potato, which is still lying in the pot because in the end I didn't eat it. And there's some baby marrow in here as well. I've got some eggs. I've got some coconut fat, salt. And I think what I'm going to do, I love fried potato. I'm going to fry some potato, and once it's fried, I'm going to then do some egg, scramble some egg with it. And then I'm just going to heat the marrow up. That's going to be a divine meal. You're probably thinking, that doesn't sound very healthy. We're going to fry in coconut fat because this is your best fat as far as I'm concerned for frying it, because it's a fully saturated fat at room temperature. And you don't want to use a liquid oil, an oil that's liquid at room temperature, because it suggests it's less stable than one that is solid. In other words, a solid oil or fat can withstand heat better. So now we're chucking the potato in. Whoa. And then I'll probably just use 2 eggs, but we'll let the potatoes go for a while longer till they're nice and crispy and browned and delicious. And then I'm going to throw this in with the potato. In fact, I'm going to throw everything in. I'm going to throw the leftover baby marrow. Those have been steamed. I'm going to turn it down a bit because I don't want my eggs to cook too quickly. High heat certainly damages food, and particularly eggs. I tend to cook on a lower heat for longer. It's a better way to do them. Just protects the integrity of the fats in the egg. So I'm going to dump this in. So it'll be kind of like a rather strange Spanish omelette. I'm sure the Spanish would be horrified. Pouring it over the top. I'm going to destroy it because I want to get it done a bit faster. So I'm going to just turn it a little. Remember, I did a vlog on portion sizes and the fact that everyone is very different and will eat different amounts and will feel satisfied after different size meals. I'm a big eater, so that's a decent size for me. I'll feel good on that. I'll be comfy and full. Make something up. Just throw leftovers together. Works brilliantly. And eggs are always a great combination with foods like that. Enjoy!